tell you, I'm a Florida native. I have endured countless number of hurricanes, and this one was the loudest that I've ever gone through. And I knew that this area was really going through something.
A house burned down 2 doors from me. There were embers flying over my house.
We're in the house and then start to see water. The entire house is flooded. And I'm crying like, Lord, what are we gonna do?
One of the biggest lessons we learned is we have to continually invest in resiliency.
It's really a community effort to get us ready to be sure that the impact is not huge whenever we do have the next hurricane.
How can we take steps to elevate homes, prepare for floods? And I think we've seen that. We've seen the community respond in a positive manner.
We're very specifically focused on those incremental things we can do so that you're not just constantly in this cycle of being impacted and rebuilding, but you're actually able to get out of the cycle of even being impacted. Technology for us is key. We strongly feel that technology has the power to really solve the most pressing issues that these communities deal with.
This is going to be a very special community for us. 23 families will receive a Habitat home in this community. Many of them were displaced from the hurricanes. A lot of them didn't have hurricane shelters, didn't have hip roofs.
We always say we're more of the long-term recovery solution. For us, it's about making sure that you never have the problem in the first place.
Verizon and Habitat have been in this community a long time. They've been with this community from the start, and they're not going to leave.
In my city, we will be ready. When I think about home ownership, for me, that's stability. For me, that's safety. This is mine. This is longevity for myself and my family.